Welcome to Leco Academy. Now in this video we are going to handle the question that came in 2017, question 6, under flowchart and pseudocode. Now here we've been given the flowchart, so this is the flowchart. So we've been given the flowchart and we are writing a pseudocode corresponding the flowchart that has been given. Now under this topic you need to understand the language and also the symbols that are used. So this is the oval shape. The oval shape, this is the shape where we write start, stop, begin, end. So this is the shape where we write those words. And this is the parallelogram. So the parallelogram, this one, it is for input, display, or output. So to start with, we are going to start with the shape that is starting, which is the oval, and in oval there we have a word start. So we are going to write start. So after this one we have the parallelogram. So the parallelogram, this one, this is the shape for display. So what are we displaying? We enter radius. So this R is representing radius. Enter radius. So after the parallelogram we have the diamond shape. So this shape, this is a decision shape, and inside here we have a condition. So they're saying is R less than 0. Then if it is less than 0, yes, it agrees. You have to display error, which is R must be positive. So as when writing, since the statement here is saying is R less than 0, when you write in a pseudocode, you start with if radius less than 0. Then if it is less than 0, which is here, it is agreeing. So here they are saying yes, then display. So if it is yes, then display. So what are we displaying? Error, which is R must be positive. Okay, so the next diagram, this is the rectangle. So the rectangle, this is where we put the computation operations like calculations. So here we've been given the formula for the area. So area is equal to half multiplied by R multiplied by R multiplied by sine theta. These, they represent the multiplication sign. So here in our pseudocode we are going to write else area is equal to, so that is half multiplied by R, which is the radius, multiplied by another R multiplied by sine theta. So we are done with the rectangle shape. Then the next shape, that is also a parallelogram again. So the parallelogram here, we are displaying the area. So after the rectangle, before you display area, you write end if so we are ending with what? So here it says display area. So display area. The last shape, this is an oval which says stop. So here's what you need to take note. When writing in pseudocode, make sure, so this is the start, it is in line with the stop. Why? Because the shapes are the same. So start, stop, the shapes are the same. So even our pattern, this start, it has to be in line with the stop. Enter radius. So enter radius, it is in parallelogram, and also this is the parallelogram, this is the parallelogram. So here they have to match. So enter radius and also display area. Also the rectangle, what is in the rectangle shape, it has to match with the the parallelogram shape, and also the parallelogram shape which is down. This is the decision, this was in the decision box. So this and that, also this, they have to match. That's how you write into a pseudocode.